Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I will be sharing with you my desk layout, the things that I keep on my desk, as well as a small DIY. It has been requested to show you how I made my bling mat, and I will be sharing with you a lamp review. So let's just jump right in. Now, Oneach has reached out to me to take a look at one of their lamps, and this lamp here is a beautiful lamp that I plan to place on my desk. This lamp is a LED. It could be a bedside lamp, a desk, a table lamp, for your nightstand in your bedroom, your living room, your office, anywhere you want to put it. It has a fabric shade with a metal base. The lamp shade itself, it filters light to show a diffused glow. It is beautiful, guys. The metal base is very heavy, which makes it stable. It has a UL listed switch, which makes it easy to turn on and off. It also comes with a LED 5-watt bulb. This home decor light can fit in easily with many styles. It's slim, it's lightweight, and easy to move around so you can have light wherever you need it. This lamp is an eye catcher that your family and friends will love. Information about this lamp and the company will be listed in my description box down below. And Oneach is being gracious to host a giveaway to give one of my blessed subscribers one of these beautiful lamps. Now, to enter this giveaway, you must be a subscriber to my channel. You must be 18 years of age or older. You also need to be a resident of the United States. And in the comment section, please comment Oneach. This giveaway will be open for only 1 week. Okay, this is a requested DIY project. Very simple, very easy to do. Someone spotted my bling mat on one of my videos. It's actually my old desk tour, and wanted to know how I made it. Very simple. I'm going to show you the products that I used. A simple placemat from the Dollar Tree. Anyone will do. And if you want to paint this out, you can, to make it a solid color, but I wouldn't even worry about it. You need glue sticks, scissors. I have my glue gun sitting right here, and some bling wrap. They do have bling wrap at the Dollar Tree, and that's what I used on that mat. But I'm going to use this one here from Totally Dazzled. For one, it is wider, and it definitely will not take me no time at all to do on this mat here. So we're going to get started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure out what I need to go across this mat, and I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to sit right there, and I may go over one or two to ensure that I have enough. And with this bling wrap being so wide, I don't think I would need over 3 rows. Actually, it'll be 2.5. So I'm gonna get these cut here. All right. So now that I have them cut, we're gonna start gluing. I have my pieces here. So now I'm gonna take my trusty glue gun and I'm gonna start loading up this placemat with hot glue. And I'm gonna be generous, but I'm only gonna go halfway. So I wanna ensure I have it on here really good, halfway through here, and then I will place the other half on. So I have it at the halfway point. I'm going to take it to the other half here. And I'm out of glue already here. That's okay. Doing it halfway here. God, I just stuck that in my lap. And I'm making sure that I line my bling wrap up with the first piece. I'm able to touch this because I have it on low temp, guys. If this was on high temp, it would be a different story. But I like placing these mats on my desk. They can be placed on a vanity, which is another cute little idea. And I just smooth it out. Last piece, and I really don't need this piece this big, so I can trim it off. Just going down the entire piece here. This one. Making sure I line it up again. Just as simple as that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift it on the edge here a bit and make sure it's glued down. Do this edge here also. You will go through a lot of glue, okay? I'm already running out of this one. Just like so. And it will look like this. I do have to trim it out on the back here. So I'm going to trim it and your mat will be finished. So I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to trim the mat. This bling wrap cuts so easy. You see how quick I'm going through it, right? One more corner here. And this is the mat here. Now I will highly suggest that you either paint it out or use the back. I probably would use the back because you can see through. If you really look at it, you can see the print through here. Alright, of the placemat that I had. But that doesn't bother me because my room is in that color. But this is the bling mat that I made for my previous desk. And I will place my computer on top like so. Alright. Just that simple, guys. Now let me share with you my desk layout. What I'm really calling this, my desk necessities. Now that I have my beautiful lamp sitting on my desk, I'm going to add my desk necessities. I have my bling mat that we just DIY'd, and then I'm going to grab my laptop over there that you see in the back on that back table there, that console table. I'm going to place it on this mat. I have a tray that I have a orchid and my business cards and this little decorative pineapple. I have this leaf tray that I place my eyeglasses on. Then I have this phone holder. I think I'm going to paint this because the gold is just not right to me. I have my coffee mug that I always keep on my desk. I am stealing this from my college son. He's home. Technically he's home. He's gone on a trip to California for a Christian leadership conference. So I'm borrowing this and I love it, so I must buy me a speaker. My caddy here I'm going to place on this console table behind me. I'm still going to do a little rearranging and some tweaks, guys. Guys, this planner here I actually won on Instagram. Won this from Grand Planners Central Station. Please go over to her IG page and check her out. She sent me a planner and some planner goodies, and I am loving them. And then I went and purchased this beautiful bookmark in the copper tone from Tuesday Morning. Very pretty. And here's the overview of my desk. I will be doing a little more tweaking because I'm not really fully moved in yet due to I'm sharing this room with my college son, but he goes back to college this coming week, next week, so I will move everything in its place and do my tweaking, and then I will be sharing with you another reveal. So stay tuned. Well guys, that is the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family here by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. I can also be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.